Hello guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa Costco. Bibili kami ng pagkain kasi naubusan na kami, lalo na yung prutas. Hi Sawyer. Kakagising lang niya guys.
So I thought we were going to Costco.
Well, yeah, we're gonna check the mailbox first.
So mag-check muna kami ng mailbox bago pupunta doon.
Two
Mailbox
mailboxes.
namin.
That one and the other one.
Post office you mean?
Mhm.
The other one? Okay. Dito na kami guys sa Costco. Ayan yung Costco guys. Oh. Magpa-park lang kami. Hi! So ayun guys. Hindi pa may tapos. It's good. We'll try it. Ayun guys. Tapos na kami mag-groceries. Nandito na kami sa bahay guys. Bumili na ako ng 50 pounds na rice. Ang mahal guys, $43 and change. Nilagay ko na sa lalagyan. Bumili ako ng bawang guys. Tsaka bumili ako ng plums. Tsaka ano yung mandarin ba? Yan, mandarin. Tsaka ito. Cucumber. Tsaka ano. Lime, apple, tsaka coconut milk, strawberries, grapes guys, ayan. Bumili na akong papaya, kaya lang hilaw pa. Itong bok choy na maliit. Bacon na smoke. Sana masarap to. Orange, lemon. May pa-frito sa Costco nito. Masarap po siya. Itong sweet onions, tsaka yung burgers. Na pre-cook na siya. Tapos, wala kasing dilaw na ano, na mango. Kaya binili ko na lang tong green. Tapos, corn, strawberries, at saka goldfish. Yan, binili ko. Good morning, guys! Pagising ko, guys. Wala na pala yung dishwasher namin guys. Darating yung taga Lowe's para ihatid yung dishwasher namin na bago guys. Oh, wala na yung dishwasher namin, kinuha na, nilabas na siya guys, nilabas na. Yan, ito nilagay dito kasi ano tawag dito, in-unplug yung ano to sa ilalim. Gising na rin si Sawyer. Si hi! Magkakape nga tayo guys. Ayan siya. Binigay niya sa akin tong marshmallow. Gusto niya to. Ang aga-aga pa para makapag-marshmallow. Balik natin, okay? No more this one, ha? Okay? Get your bread. Eat your bread. Get it. Come on. Get your bread. Okay. No choice. Bibigyan na lang. No choice. Bigyan ko na lang siya. Kasi umiyak. Itong dramatic kong... Oh! Pick it up! Malinis naman yung sahig. Ayan siya. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Marshmallow lang daw yung sa kanya. Thank you. Okay. Hindi ako marunong mag-decor-decor guys, kaya pinuhos ko na lang diretso. Throw in the trash can, please. Yan. Nautusan ko na siya, guys. Thank you! Thank you! Come on, let's wipe your hands. Come on! Come on! Come on! So guys, dumating na ang aming dishwasher sa wakas. Ito guys, napakita ko sa inyo. Yan yung bagong dishwasher namin guys. Ayan. LG pa rin siya. Ayan. Sa loob. Diba maganda na? Na ako maghuhugas ng maraming plato. Dahil may dishwasher na dumating na yung dishwasher. At saka binigyan kami ng coupon ng Cascade. At saka may sample pa siya. Diba?
Little Sawyer wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Sa labas guys, maulan.
Mommy, I brushed my teeth last night.
That's good.
Me too.
Yan sila, hintay pa sila sa oras kasi papasok yan sila guys. Maaga pa naman eh. Oh! Careful! Naglaro muna sila guys kasi maaga pa. Oh, give it to him. Here you go. Shells, you don't want to wear a jacket? Oh, Shelton. He's mad now. Shells, you don't want to wear a jacket?
I do, but I don't know where my jacket's on.
It's in the closet, I told you.
I want to wear my smiley face one. Here you go.
Your smiley face is dirty, remember?
Here you go.
Say hi. Good morning.
Sawyer. Sawyer.
It's already 8:20. Go daw, go! Go, my God, go kadiharon. You can't go with them. They're going to school. Yeah?
Yeah, we got the car seat clip. It's not super tight, but it's okay for now.
Okay.
Bye.
So, ayan guys. Hindi sila pwede mag-scooter this morning dahil maulan ang umaga namin dito. Yan sila nagre-ready. Ang daming kalat namin guys sa labas kasi hindi kami nakapaglinis kasi malamig sa labas. Pag okay na ang sa labas, yan pa kami maglilinis. See ya! See ya, Kay Sawyer! Yeah, Kay Sawyer! Bye! Bye, brother! Brother! Say bye-bye, brother! Alis na sila! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, brother! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
You can't go!
You can't go. You can't go.
You can't go!
Bye.
See ya!
Bye. Love you.
Alis na sila guys, punta school. It's okay. Umiyak siya. Bye! Alis na sila.